In this video, we are going to check how to install virtual Fortinet firewall. First, we need to download the virtual firewall from support.fortinet.com. Then, we can extract the downloaded file. Here, we are having two options for loading the Fortinet firewall. Either we can directly open the OVA file from extracted location, or we can open with the VMware workstation. For the best method, I am using import method from VMware workstation. Select the OVA file and import the file. We can enter the virtual machine name and where is the location we need to store the virtual machine. And just changing the location, then press the import button. Accept the license agreement. Now the Fortinet virtual machine is imported. Here we can see so many network adapters are automatically displayed. That means while importing the Fortinet, here itself we will get the multiple network adapter. If you want to change the memory capacity and processor, we can change after editing the virtual machine settings. Here we can see so many network adapters. I am not changing any settings. I am just pressing OK button. Now I am starting Fortinet virtual machine. Now we are able to see the Fortinet virtual machine is loading. By default, the Fortinet is coming without password. The default login name is admin, then the password is blank. Just enter. While logging itself, it will ask to enter the new password. We need to enter the new password and confirm the new password. Now our virtual machine installation is completed. Fortinet virtual firewall comes without IP address. We need to set the IP address for the interface. If you are typing show system interface, it will display all interface details. Here we are unable to see any of the IP address. So we need to set the IP for one interface. I am configuring the interface with the config command. Config system interface. Then edit the port 1 with the edit command. This interface has been configured as a dynamic IP configuration. First mode we need to change it as static. For that purpose we need to type set mode static. Then we can enter the IP address. Set IP address with the subnet. Here we are already configured with the IP 192.168.100.1 and now we need to set the access permission. For that purpose we need to set allow access, then HTTPS and HTTP. Also we can enable ping and SSH. Now we need to change the IP of the physical machine for testing the access. After changing the IP, we are unable to ping to the Fortinet firewall. Now we will try the access of Fortinet with the same IP address. Here we are able to log in with the username and password. Unfortunately, the evaluation license has expired. So we need to reset the Fortinet without losing the IP address. There is a two type of resetting options are available. One is complete reset, another one is configuration reset. The first option, if you are selecting, all the settings including the IP address will be resetted. If you are using the second option, it will reset only the configuration, rest all will be keeping same. I am using the second option for resetting. We need to log in the VM first. Here we can see the license status using the get command. Get system status. Now we are able to see the license status will show as expired. If you want to activate the license, we need to reset the system. This will be a temporary license. If you want to use permanent, we need to buy the license from Fortinet portal. We need to execute the resetting command with the execute factory reset 2. In this option, we are selecting only resetting the configuration except the IP interfaces. Then confirm the resetting. It will start to the factory reset without losing the IP address. We will lose the configuration except IP address. Even the password also will be lost. Once after relogging, we need to enter the login username and the password will be blank. Then we need to enter the new password. The same password we are using to log in web browser. Now we can check the license status. Get system status. Now we can see the license status is valid. If we are refreshing the web browser, we are able to log in with the username and password. Now we are able to log in with the Fortinet VM firewall. Here we can see the Fortinet interface configuration. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please press the like button, share and subscribe.